I mean, it's not even stuck. You whiner. Your slough, it doesn't even have mud in it. Those are 37s, just saying. Well, I guess we'll just have to come pull it out. Why would you take the plow truck in the slough, you idiot? I took the plow truck in the slough because if you don't try, you're lame and we can't be friends. How about that? I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks good over there. Look at it. Majestically stuck there. It's just the way she goes. Saturday night, just try it. Try it, you whiny bastard. Try it.